Hi, friends. What a beautiful day it is to be a good caretaker of your body and to breathe on purpose. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. And in saying that, we're going to have a great practice. Today will be a stretch band practice. It's going to introduce you to ways in which you can incorporate stretching daily to open up your hips, to relax your nervous system, and also to bring some fresh energy and oxygen in your body. I hope that you are excited to practice because I'm excited to be here with you. So what you'll need for practice is maybe a mat, or if you're on carpet or even your bed, you can do this on the bed, and a strap. So you can have a stretching strap or maybe even using a towel or getting creative, but don't let that take you away from being a caretaker of your body. So I have a stretching strap. I'm in studio today, so I have a mat as well. So let's get started, and we'll get started on our backs. So we're on our backs, and go ahead and grab your strap, placing your strap in each hand. I want you to bring your strap around the bottom of your feet and bring your legs up the wall. Taking a nice deep breath in here, find what feels good to you. Maybe you're incorporating little mini movements or little circles, and just breathing to find the comfort. So we're going to take a deep breath in here and then a full breath out. Take your left foot out of the strap, but keep it close by the right. Still legs up the wall. Take a deep breath in here. And then exhale, bring that left leg down towards the ground and just hovering it. Inhale, we bring it back up. Exhale, we hover. One more, inhale up. And exhale, we hover that left leg. Relax your shoulders, relax your face, and then bring that left leg down all the way to the ground. You'll feel a release here. Beautiful. Go ahead and bend that knee and then straighten. Bend, straighten. Last one, best one, bend, and then straighten. Deep breath in here, full breath out. Go ahead and place your strap into your right hand, bringing that right leg on the outside of that right, opening out towards the right. Deep breath in and out. Two more, inhaling in and out. Last one, best one, deep breath in and out. Beautiful. Inhaling up, cross the strap over into your left hand, opening out your right hand. Maybe you're gazing over your right, bringing that right leg over your left for a nice supine. It's okay if you need to wiggle your shoulders. Deep breath in, full breath out. Inhaling in and exhale. Last one, best one, deep breath and exhale. Beautiful. Let's bring that leg back up. Having that left leg join the right inside the strap, go ahead and widen your stance and shift those legs side to side. Each rock, gently bend your knees a little bit more into like a happy baby. And we rock side to side. All right, so now we're going to bend a little bit more and then straighten back up. All right, we have another side, so let's bring that right foot out and beside the left, taking a nice deep breath in here and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hover that right leg on the ground, just hovering it, lengthening out. Inhale up. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Exhale, we hover. Inhale up. And exhale, we hover. Beautiful, holding here, deep breath. Exhale, let that right leg down, relaxing into it. Maybe you're wiggling. All right, now we bend and we're gonna straighten 3 times just to open that up. Finding your breath. And then one more time. Beautiful, taking those straps and to the left hand, opening out your left leg towards the left. Ooh, maybe that right hand goes out towards the right. Lengthening. Deep breath in here, friends. And full breath out. 2 more. Inhale in. And exhale. Last one. Deep breath in. And exhale. Bringing that leg up. Crossing it over your body, bring those straps into your right hand. Left hand comes out. Right foot goes over, or left foot goes over towards the right. Maybe your gaze goes over towards your left. You're wiggling your shoulders. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Deep inhale in. And out. Last one, best one. Inhaling in. And out. Awesome. Bringing your legs back up. Bringing those feet. Maybe you're bending and extending. And then bringing them nice and wide to rock like a happy baby. All right, friends. Now we are going to take the strap off of our feet. We'll bring our feet down. Place our strap to the side. And we're gonna do 3 good morning stretches. So reaching out our body nice and long. Sending those toes towards the front. Your fingers towards the back. Deep breath in, we stretch. Exhale, bring your knees into your chest. Your forehead towards your knees. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Beautiful. We reach back out. Deep breath in. And exhale, squeeze your knees into your chest. Inhale, back. And exhale, squeeze. Beautiful. Now take the time to rock into your spine, nice and gentle, tucking your chin. Give me 3, and then arrive back into an easy pose. And let's just shift our hips side to side. And start doing hip circles. So those are just, some stretches to help you open up your hips and your legs. I love those stretches to do daily. Whew, all right, just go ahead and some hip circles here. There we go. Just to bring in some fresh oxygen and energy to our body after the stretching. Coming back neutral, let's bring our hands to our heart and just tap in with our heart today. Maybe closing your eyes, and let's do 3 intentional breaths to close out practice. Deep inhale in here, and exhale. That one's for us. Inhaling in, and exhale. That one's for our friends and our family. Last one, best one. Deep breath in. And exhale. That's sending loving kindness out into the world. Thanks so much, friends. Great job. You did an excellent job. Thanks for stretching with me. Some of my favorite stretches to help open up my hips and get a little bit of movement within my hamstrings and also my internal organs getting a massage. I hope that you enjoyed this practice, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment, let me know what you liked, subscribe, come back for more. There's so many different modalities and videos to help you along your journey. I'm here to help, and I'm excited to help. All right? Have a beautiful day on purpose, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.